are posing and taking pictures with IGPs. This is the former IGP Dampare, and this young man who shot somebody in the head, a military officer. The same person I'm showing the pictures is here, shooting military officer on the team. No, he's the same person who was posing with the former IGP. So one, he feels say nobody can do him anything. Again, I koso Ghana, konkonsebia koso na konkonsebia koso ni ejujum. On the screen. And then it say in Koto Eka a year. How about 10 minutes? In Koto Eka and Sembifa a year in Sasso. And how bad a year in Sasso Semwa Ghana Abidru. I think say one conversation we have to pay attention to. Me we say in Koto he was talking about John Dramani Mahama, the president, now pleading with the president to say we shouldn't have anything your friend a year land guards in Ghana. Say Emrani Yejuma, say security agencies, no. Okay, say security agencies, no. I don't think we should have anything like land guards in Ghana. The issue with land guards, I think it's about time. Abiding in the yeah, we treated land guard Ejuma not to say Ejuma a danger to Ghana. To me, I have not encountered land guards in any of my dealings. But lots and lots of Ghanaians are having problems with people encroaching, taking over their lands, people using guns to push them away from lands where they have bought and have documents too. And these are conversations that are very important. And so I will urge the government, the lands minister, these are very important things. They don't really care about the bigger picture, but they care about these small things that a government can do for the people. So I think people are supposed to be confident when it comes to owning properties. I'm talking about land or Ghana, and I will advise the government. In fact, I wouldn't advise. I will plead with the government to look into land guards issues. The national security, the Ghana Police Service, the military. I think we should have a special task force that deals with land dispute and land litigation, especially that focuses on land guards. Oko Gumwa Feta, land guards be taking over Gumwa Fete. Today they walk on the streets of Gumwa Fete. These are very important things that I was in your mind. Into land guard issues, I will plead with the government. I will plead with the president. They need to give it a special focus. They need to pay attention to land guard issues. In fact, getting people to protect your land is not bad. You can contract registered legitimate security company to protect your land. It is your money. You want to protect it. It's when you contract a legitimate security agency. Imremuno se yakosha nkratemu na yeshedi pandi etumi busana ID na otumi pruvia. Those people you can, as a Ghanaian, as a private citizen, you can employ their services to protect your property. Your property could be your land. But when you don't have that, na se nipa ba mienu miensa enan bi efa emrano esho munsem, and they decide to torment, frustrate, and at a certain point, Krampono, kill, murder people because obi say asasiwe by force, that is where I have a problem with. So the government can also look into educating people to understand, say, there are private security agencies who are registered to take care of your properties. Now, I also want the government to look at focusing on companies that will come forward to be registered legitimately, and that any person who registers their company as a company that protects land, those people will fall under an agency of the government. Those people can be monitored by the government. Whatever they use in protecting your land, it should be something that has been sanctioned by the government. Their activities on the land and off the land, how they were able to protect that land, there should be a law that backs people or some agencies or security agencies that will be registered to do that. Because the government, you see, land guard issue is like fighting Galamsey. Galamsey, as you see, is very complex. The same as land guard issue. Now, land guard issue, I'm quite to say, Obi Edi Bone, but you don't really have a law that can say nipa way this abone. Because now you can walk to a land and somebody will be standing there saying, Asasu e mebusia for dia mena mesheso. Now you cannot tell the person not to be the guard on that land. Now, what happens is say assassino litigation wo ho ana manso da ho ana nipa bi etwe ho manso a then eni se ebusua bitumi fa na ebusua ni se begina so na protect assassino. You need a legitimate security agency to be protecting the land. And it's about time the government, the state, started looking at private entities or the state merging with private security agencies, formalizing the protection of land in Ghana. And we know, say, this company called Kevin Taylor Land Protection Unit, that company where their main job is protecting lands. And what that means is say, so be balance or better say, Kevin Taylor Lands, whatever unit, almost signboard siwo, almost signpost wo, a post. Na se obi timukutetua. The law gives them the right to protect that land. So anybody who comes on that land without the right documentation to prove, say, our superior power over the person who has been sanctioned by the law to protect the land, that person now becomes the intruder. It is a busuafo begin say, omo wa asase bi na omo person protect ya. Say aban shemra near agencies are omo de legitimately they are noticed, they are recognized by the law. What is going to do when say now any nipa bia na betima kwatena asase bia say na be protect asase no. You need to prove inti abusuafo no kra de asase no ema obi se ombehwe so no ana company behwe so no e will say go through a process. Sa company na eye a security company a ebia wafa mrakwan so air protect asase no, they cannot just walk and be like yebehwa asase we. So that security company too, they need to do a collaborative job with the state agency to know say asase we ya asimesi approach omo so monko eco garden no, it is legitimate asase ye ne dia. It is a Kwamengo Eba company no ho na company we and a share so omni abind the juma all the documentations they can link up with the government and go check verify before they will take that contractor. Sa a year company no, they will only go and protect a particular land when you, the person contracted them, you have been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt through government agencies. What may prove from the land, from the military, from the police, from the security agencies the government has put together before you can go there and say we protect this land. Because you cannot just go there. Anybody cannot just go out and say I have employed this person to protect my land. And that is what is basically breeding a land guard issue. Into land guards issue, no, a very delicate. A very delicate because I am forbid your jim. People sell lands and don't take even documents. And don't give documents, sorry. Your nipa bebre wo krom ha. Ahemfo bebre wo krom ha. Omo ton sa asoman kofo. Omo fa krata nka ho. Now, sa okoto asase ni ama krata. Sa security agency na ebebo sa wasase no ho ban no. Sa wonkuta legitimate document a ekire asase we yo dia. Sa security company no, so or try crash to kwakobo ho ban a wa commit a crime. Now, that is the only way we can weed out what we call a illegal land guard and illegal land guards. Let me put it that way. Because in Ghana right now, we don't have any legitimate land guard. Everyone, Obia or friend who land guard in Ghana today is going against the law. Because in Mrabia ma obi unkwan say onfa etuo sikan ko jina asase bi say on the protect asase no. So the word land guard itself is illegal. Nobody has any official documentation from government, from any institution backing them as land guards. In say the word land guard, anybody involved in land guard, he is doing an illegal business. It is that the issue with land guards, let's not treat it lightly. A very complex, a very, very delicate issue. I am pleading with the government, the lands minister, to sit and draft a policy, draft a path to protect lands in Ghana. We cannot always say, oh, go to lands, go and apart from Lands Commission issuing documentations, we need to have another bridge that will, at the end of the day, give the land buyer that confidence, that security. So the only thing Rebecca say, wako land, Okatakyie, because we have seen people who have gone to land to take document on Bebano, documenting legitimately every land, and so that's how documenting is fake. So now we need to build another bridge that makes it difficult for somebody to take advantage of Obi property. And land guards in Ghana, to be very honest with you, they have caused a lot of harm. And to me, I believe, say, we don't have to be pulling guns and going after people and say, oh, yeah, land guard, no. We need to use the law. We need to slowly apply the law. We need to slowly build laws that will protect the buyer, the owner, and also to ward off the people who call themselves land guards. Every land guard in Ghana is committing a crime. Let's be fair here. Let's be honest. And to say, and the Nipa Bibri, they go to Lands Commission, they take a leasing prospective license, they come to the field and they mine. But prospecting is different from mining. That is what makes the Galamsey fight very delicate. Because there are so many people who are small-scale miners who are actively involved in illegal mining. But when you go to the site, you can see the practice is totally different from what has been stipulated in the constitution or in the law for them to follow. But he will tell you, I have a license. So it becomes so difficult for you, the lawmaker. It becomes difficult for you, the person who is trying to check them, to put them in their place. Because Okatakyie say, if I don't have the legitimate license, why would I be working here? But you can have a license. There's prospecting license, then there's mining license. Whether you are prospecting or mining, I need to see the difference. And the same applies to land guards. Because land guard issue is very complex. As someone seminar, I have to be brave. Yo nipa bebra I say see Ghana no mo amuwo sika no mo na mutumi jinsa asifie hiafo nsem, and a law should be put together. There's a gap between emra no and yeni nipa no. Sa gap no, we need to build another law that protects omo to asase any omo to asase. We need that law in the middle. That is the only law that can get rid of land guards. And we need the government to sit. We need people who are expert in these kind of things to sit and draft a policy, draft a law. They need to involve private security agencies. They need to involve the Ghana Police Service, and they need to involve the Ghana military. They need to make sure all these agencies sit at the table and draft a policy, a law that will sit in the middle between the Lands Commission and also the buyers or the owners of the land. That law will bridge, because Sir Gabnet that the Lands Commission and the buyers and sellers, a for the land guard for the share, a dangerous. So it is important. Near Waha any tea go muafete. A branty be a treat to a bow so you do you remember? Sir Abrantie wing. I didn't want to delve into this, but sometimes calculation and technology, say be kai sign your way, not as shipping ye, a boy may to me, a protecting a kakrana akana any or mine. We were here when this man, who is a land guard, area shot a military man in the head, point blank, all because or protect your sassy. For all you know, this man, he does not even know the all yet, because in the settings now, ana baby or one, my land guard and I say land guard is legitimate, and I'm not holding brief for this man. The crime he committed, he needs to, at the end of the day, face the law. The law needs to deal with him. So with me, I'm not here to protect this guy, but I'm here to let you understand something. The land guard word now, Ghana, a illegal word, against the laws of the land. Nobody our Ghana also a land guard are legitimate. Obi a land guard biano or commit a crime. We should stop. We should try and get some things right. We should try and resituate the system in a way where it will favor the rich, the poor, the vulnerable, and everything. Because as I see everything, when you get people like these who are posing and taking pictures with IGPs, this is the former IGP Dampare, and this young man who shot somebody in the head, a military officer. The same person I'm showing the pictures is here, or shooting military officer on the team. No, he's the same person who was posing with the former IGP. So one, he feels, say, nobody can do him anything. That is what I'm saying, say, there's a gap between the Lands Commission that gives the license or whatever documentation that makes a land legitimate, and the people who are buying or selling. We need another law in the middle. We cannot make land guards, some of them, and let me state this on authority. As much as land guards, another land guard word now, you think of a land guard, illegal word, not all land guards are deadly or bad people. But you see, we cannot say because some land guards are doing or have not harmed anyone, we should not enact a law. No. The law is the law. We need a law that will protect, because we don't know when somebody will go off. We don't know when a good man will turn into a bad man. We don't know when somebody will turn a gun against a child, a woman, a breastfeeding mother, a husband. We don't know. That is why we are not supposed to even give ourselves any kind of excuse that, oh, land guards be a good part. There's nothing like that. Boni bi anywhere eye boni papa onyankopo ani boni bi aye boni. So if you are treating boni, we should have a law that will treat the boni as boni. Because I know there are some land guards who have never committed a crime. They are doing their job. They are protecting Nipa or contracting, but that does not make what they are doing legitimate. So we should have a law that will protect the buyer, the seller, we the citizens. And this, as I say, it is becoming something. I say, government upon government, we are neglecting. We are neglecting, because at a point, they are near to Chrome and Canada, Japan. Canada, Japan, Okotana, Ayadian, Okotana radio so. Ekacha say, Onim say, some land guards are killing people. Onim say, the way land guards have taken over the place. He even mentioned names. I'm not here to mention names or all that. But Canada, oil lawmaker, Canada, Sebio, Owosika, Ghana for so Owosika che bro. Canada, ono baby obetuma kono ntumi kono. He even admitted on TV, say, land guards are committing atrocities. This is Canada, Japan.
The way I got a corner, or mining your sorry. And then I will who some pan say, Kaswa, I him for be a bishia woman. No more can, yes, quasi a large bee. My body didn't pain. Police from pain for ring cranty war. This guy is killing people. Me no kase oma kumnipa o she fridge mu. Hwaditi. E kire ansa no mko hu ba bi etwa niti.
Omo de ye den.
Wo aba ha dwene bia o bia, Na tie awra husem a me de ba ha awie. One gentleman called a top police officer. Now the speaker say onim nkasa. O si orode onim nkasa. Na asem na eho no empenfo a ehya kiri no me ba na me be kasa pe be yi nadi ena panyini no assure say no enye is also there be on kasa. So we share the fear na ewo police officer panyini mu pa eka say on pese ordinary no betoto sa land guard kwasi Alagio Sanwan. Because was the NPP penny be pa ni law firm. Akwani di boniana and they defending it, Onu di osuro. So wow, baby I Ghana ye do. Guy no to me call a fear say ne a fear we me pay. He cleans everybody there, takes over the land. Obji a fear no go, not wafa assassin. Ghana here. This is the first warning I'm sounding to NPP in Painford. We'll fight. Any Obama resign from the party. We can't sit down for criminals to rule this country. Now defending criminals, wicked, evil people. I will come and just I him for me who keke. Nene me and say police penino a casa osrano. There be on person in Bekasa because your casa we are or no and when you're trouble. So wow, these police officers are supposed to protect us. The protectors themselves are afraid of langas. The protectors of the citizens are afraid of langas. I'll put my life on the line for the good people of this country. I'll fight this guy. Me manu last warning. MPP penyin no wara me bondin. Now okay who's a party in your bread. Nanado sacrificed his life so many years. President Akufo-Addo, MPP penfobi sacrificed their life to get this party this far. He told to go to Langa, said Chibum Kunipa, not the Bia boy NPP for the guy mentioned Papa Nidi. I have no buy so, Boniding. Police in Enzo boy, and it was slow. Me, I will go to him nicely and tell him, Ebian on him, so you soon did because Akwabite opposite chief of staff of FIE, Citizen Kofi Amwaire, now Akwanu Kojina Sasi, now the chief of staff would do me a Koji. And I'm saying, Sister Freeman will not do that. So I did my investigation. I called Protozo and I'm saying,
so this is a lawmaker. He knows names. He did not report it. And he did not even mention names. I put that picture on because on the board, boys now, on Kennedy board, the picture, I don't even know them. But this is how serious land guard issues, etie. Lawmakers sit on TV, they cannot even mention names. Kennedy Agyapong, on boarding, go to Gomwa Fete, the butcher Kennedy said in Sasa Sen. Oh, lawmaker, no can say, asemo bape na ne law firm afenyo marking law firm asem no oka kobusa Kennedy Agyapong ne afenyo marking so omonsa asesen ene wo gomwa area wo de braba bedu bujumbura campus adien kobusa Kennedy say nsa asesen no ho. How did they secure those lands? This is what we talk about. The only time you hear politicians speak against something is when it is not going in their favor, and especially when the NPP government came to power. That is what they did. And the land guards issue, is something we need to treat very well. It's something we need to pay attention to. It is galamsey. In fact, there are millions of Ghanaians on especially Titu no Mudi Matebono. Most of them, I'm telling you on authority. Ghana for now, Omutia Bruchi Mudi Matemono. Sebi Unquasia for now, Omu Fingua Bruchino. Germany for any UK ni America for no 90% of them ya Munsa say from Musemu or Ghana. But end omu to was Kevin Ka San Kwasia for Mudi Matemono. Asasi edi ja omu maamenom a yede ma omo no and through Langard ya je from Musem bebre ntumi mafie. Bebre titi abrochi omu tumi mafie. Langard fo bi age. Basa nkwasi afo ya bekonom to odi matam adan makasetia ni NPP na ofiri mu no enso kwasi ampanyi ni NPP ni ba power no ade a edana komas no NPP ne ntumi protect ama no wentumi nya NPP ni bia okasama NPP mane ntumi aka asama ehia no kwasi ampanyi de ehia ne se ya santefo party na okasetia. That is some of them their problem. Inti this is not a joke. En kwasi afo bebre amasase agye from some Germany say nwan. And the Kevin Taylor na meteha and I make come here some chromo. E be the 60 da woti abroche ye adwuma se moa. Omu suro so mbefie because asase na eye omu dia na yage. Ahihye omu ho yare ukọ omu dem bon se nkura. E be se nkraman sisire omu se moa. Omu ti abroche wo se nwan. Omu je se omu bebre wa abroche a na broni behu omu obu omu. Into my say police dogs no mu go no mu wo se nwan. And that is the reality I am telling you. Let's be focused. Let's look at the reality. Let's look at the issues. Land guard issue, I'm appealing to the president. We need a policy. The people need protection. Ghana for here protection. Ahemfuni biso edi a dream. Basically, the Japan asema okay. Kogo mwafete Freddie Blay Kennedy Agyapong afenyo marking. Omo no dominating sase ohonya. Ye ntia na yete afenyo marking. Waje Winneba for asase 99 years. Ahemfu ntikro nim. Abrantie be na wo Winneba obeka se fa asase man 5 years fando eburu a ohene betamama no. Enso afenyo marking kwasi ampanyi akakaro owura ye tinwin. Because of politics. Waje Winneba for asase 99 years. Emma Brante gu Winneba asase so ye I afenyo marking leader ye Jimmy. But me afenyo marking ntumi njema asase. Me afenyo marking ntumi njema asase. But obetuma age wo asase. And these are the realities. These are the facts. Ghana for no mo Jimmy dodo no omugu abrochire dodo no mo Jimmy no omugu Germany. Dodo na omo no bon pa no ejimi for no omugu UK. Omo so na sebio ye je omo nsase wo fie and omo tie atwen Kevin ka Onka, where the onka, o jai pete, menka. O MPP betena so 8 years. Kofo aban betena so, oman tumi protect wasasi amount. So this is a conversation one day. I will see a few phone lines. Na ye ideas free Ghana for her. Maybe I will suggest the government puts together Emra. Emra, it will fit between the Land Commission and the buyers and sellers. Emra sebio abanene a private security agencies, because I was seeing yes private security agencies are registered in Ghana. Say they protect land. Emra and amomo ho kwan. Into sa private security no say you posted so uncle with the banko protect ya sasia. Okwado we see the post, not that the billboard is so near money too. Anybody who encroaches that private security has the right to shoot them. That is how it's supposed to be done. When they see their life is under threat, they have every right to shoot back. The government, the military, the police, they need to back those private securities. And that is the only way we can take out what we call a land guard. With all due respect, many land guards any problem. Even the land guards themselves, if they know the job they are doing is legitimate, they can also join. They can legitimately join private security agencies, which are abanim. Say BBC. Because right now, Obi Kosha Langard at Sia, Odi Bonia Yentumi Chenaso. And Abra, Omaya Tima Yentumi Chubia, Subia to me the ope. That is why we need the law. We need to build another law that falls between the Lands Commission and the buyer and the seller and the owner of the land. That law will protect Ghana for. Now, it is very important. Boy, we or your crop for your friend Williams and Nefi Sapon. Team, stay with me. I beg you, I have 2 eyes today. When you say there be 3 eyes on the show, so I'm catching team saying me with 2 eyes, I didn't know what I mean. We are going to launch a platform. One of my team members, they are telling me we are going to launch a platform that is going to put together ideas to help Ghana when it comes to land issues. This platform, I have a team that is just talking to me right now that they can build a platform, and that platform will be an interactive platform. We will be taking ideas, soliciting for ideas, we'll be sharing ideas, and we'll be putting it together as a whole document to present to the government to look at land guard issues, land dispute issues, how you can be protected, how I can be protected, how the vulnerable in Ghana can be protected. So a team is putting together a platform where we can all share our ideas and how we can find solutions to this land problems in Ghana. So right now, I've given the team the green lights. I just got a message from them. There are 3 people who are going to take this upon themselves. They are building the platform. When it is ready, I will launch it on this platform. People will put their stories there. People will come there and share their ideas. More ideas about how we can solve this land dispute issues, land guard issues. They will all come on the platform and also do what? And also put their ideas there for us to put together as a legitimate document and present to the government, because we want something to be done about a land guard issue. Very, very important. So, team, I'm going to give you guys a maximum of how long can you put this together. If you can give me some timelines, I'll let the people know so that we can launch it when it is ready for people to go and also share their opinion, share their ideas, whatever materials or resource they want to put in there, we can all put together. So team, give me an idea when this can be possible so that I'll let the people know when this can be put together and when it will be launched. So I'm waiting for them to just give me an idea because they have an estimated time. They can basically give me a rough idea of when this can be put together. All right. Can you give me timelines, team? Can you give me timelines? This person is not a Ghost team member. This is one your people that we consult. This is a consultant. On different things, and these are the things he specializes. So they are saying 7 days the platform will be ready. So 7 days. The next and Tuesday. Next week Tuesday I'll be here, team. We have to launch this platform for people to go there and share their ideas, more experience, more expertise in the field of land litigation. Person contributed to build this docket, or whatever you want to call it. We will direct everybody there. So they said we should give them 7 days. The platform will be ready. So next week Tuesday, I should be back to put the platform out, launch it for people to go there and access it. That's how we are going to do things from now. Thank you very much, team. I really appreciate this. Now, Williams and Nefi Sapon Oyewi. By the way, Oya Kromfo, you are not supposed to underestimate the chrono our ball. Senka, nyaya ni eti simu. Enya na yebejina ye naso ede no kre ede protected John Mahama. Anka first 1 month of John Mahama anka na ba ni begu because of this boy. Boy, we are friend Williams and Nefi Sapon Oyewi. Or your fraudster, or friend who Dr. Wask or Bois, and your chrono or bonko for internet so nobody metesen or say or court the court na kosi saying I had some time so I'll say or court or the make court for defamation the court me person musa akosi saying boy way oyewi ne papa enso e kromfo papa we and them no ka say when you stroke papa we order them okobo apostolic asori chrono and or the boy we fraud sika eko bie bibi or say friend Bible school or boa and the order them or your kromfo or tamfo na offer friend call for say omonko pache o man ne ba no onim se ne ba we yewi chrono sika na ne ba no edit to nsuo man nom anything na on to mean kind kre this man ne papa this boy ne papa and the gina hono ono so yewi Williams and Nefi Sapon ne papa nie ne ma mesu nie ne ma mesu ye kromfo ba tetwia moa boatema ne ma mesu nie ne ma mesu ye kromfo ne ma mesu ye wi. They are into this together. They are in this together. That is what they do. They dupe people. They make money out of people. They pretend as if somebody are sorry for. They use a sorry to cover up their crimes. The booty, they share it behind the scenes. So this guy, Williams and Nefi Sapon, nema minie, nema meso eye kromfo. Na boy way, one eye nana to pack. One nana to pack. Ayana mumusa nana to pack say. Nana kotiketwa, bonfa kotiketwa, mamingi jom. Mumbusa bonfa kotiketwa, okote se mri, okote se dabo dabo. Mumbusa kotiketwa se, adena abukurawe na asemo onkabiem. Bonfa kotiketwa, onya kurawe, criminal case, omeko court, me mamu till next week, yebe from case. Wey, oni bonfa kotiketwa, nana Tupac, nana aka Shako. Bonfa kotiketwa, oye kromfo kanu kure, okachire moso no jandam ne de wo no. Ubusan sane papa di credit say ontumi kanchiro bomfa kwateketo a jandam na brabo ne jandam ne papa si so ne papa wuti sa aboa edatema ye tam ne twe na se e de ne ko ne papa kurom omunsi dan edan omutim ayese fon no kwasia intimon kanche eye nana Tupac nana Shako bomfa kwateketo a me se wo kote se dabo dabo mon kanche ne se yanini wiye na mo ana bomfa ko tiketi akasa bebre na mbuza ne se ayana ose wakwa abruchiri da o metna tvs no kan kire mo se hwan ne boa ne mane kwa abruchiri hwan krata ena odi ko US embassy kwa visa kwa abruchiri mun kobusa no ni performance no ungrateful disease say enti wey oni bomfa ko tiketi o meko jail. It is very, very important. Now me ready to be ready and I'm both my body. Technology. Thank you very much, team. I just saw it. All right. Now, this is Mahamudu Bawumia. Now, Mahamudu Bawumia, and so ye kaimo ye Bawumia nyoma bi awaye we ye time na owo position na or ye lectures na Bawumia Ejina TV so na Ghana yetie Bawumia ekeka nsem technology akwawe magana for dwen say saa time na ope president edi no na ye nyina ye Jimmy onu kwa nim nyansa enti oye symposium ena na mamponhene na demri fadue na mamponhene di ne ho adanse wa asase so time na ote ase mamponhene se ohu nipa oye Bawumia onim economics chen obi a wo Ghana mamponhene gi akonwa tenemu na odi adanse nana bibia wo bia nyame mbo ho ban na ohwe table no so a Mahamudu Bawumia we 2009 to 2016 na oka dollar no send a dollar no into check here 2016 May na oye sa eye adewe no na dollar no what 3.9 2016 May time na NDC free power no na dollar no what 3.4 it was last button no baby actual Ghana cedis and US dollar no na dollar no what 3.9 that was the dollar rate 2016 May. Now kwa we jina Ghana catches ye jina ye Jimmy John Mahama we Jimmy NDC we Jimmy obi anim nyansa ono na ya West Kid no ono na nim economics time na odi nkwasi asem we no na Kennedy Japan te stance ni mu boni nsem ye de be me ba that time na Bawumia di nkwasi asem we no na Kennedy enso ye campaign mom yemfa Bawumia mra Kennedy Japan na Brian Champon no so nam we na nim nyansa moma yemfa Bawumia mra na Ekufuado de wagimi ye pa obi a onim sika toto ho nsam Ekufuado de onum wi Ekufuado de oyaza Ekufuado de okwabroche konum wi ne pam no onim nyansa na presidency na ato no na ye pa obi a onim nyansa obetumi de school na wakɔ no abeye Ghana sika sam yie so they were rallying behind Bawumia not Ekufuado in 2016. So in 2016 Canada Japan ya na onam fosu onam around the nation on SCS or topic up ma abu bia we wiase na or topic up che adan ya the West Kid number so they financed this guy Brian Champon sometime or say on so or dey why contract Jessica they were pushing money because yeni hu obi a wosua economics da obi a otumi hwe eye table so now I say the future of a nation otumi will just otumi the table keke and decided the future of a nation. Make a 2016. Nipa na or sponsor a campaign no, a sponsor Bawumia trip back and forth no. Na a day, na a Kennedy Japan na a sponsor say fa Bawumia be the president. Na on Kennedy wan ko school papa bia onim economics. On the or buga politician. And then they say the West Kid aba. Into what shall say on a 38.7. So now names 2024 38.7 na technology ebe yamano. Time na okasa May 2016 no na dollar near 3.9. Na the ref is 2024 or contested for primary sir a presidential election obenya 38.7 and a 2 year 2024 election. The ubusa no eno na onsaka. Iti Bawumia no or decided the destiny in 2016. And Bawumia decided the fate, the political fate in 2016. On Rangasama Ghana 40, so Obenya 38.7. And then they did the chia didn't appear 2024. Or say, Canada Japan Mokoya campaign ma Bawumia, Brian Champon Mokoya campaign, Mamika bin Chiramo. In 2024 elections, no. 2020, no, almost 30 year campaign ma Bawumia. Even in 2024. Nipa dodua omubedi Bawumia chi ewo NPP mu amkotoma Bawumia na Kennedy Japan tira in summer okan ye say an ye nyina yaba together se sia Bawumia de yenim se de Ghana shenensa upon the things Kennedy Japan said about Bawumia nyina no owie no so be ka kire Ghana for say the Ghana she Bawumia nsa e safe Mr. S get me technology Kennedy sa ka kire ye upon the ka kire nyina no Canada Japan we are and or say on the Bawumia contested because Odim sa Bawumia bon. He say always about Bawumia Jimmy. Into a there's about Bawumia economics there and the Mianka Sameba. Na nipa na me de ma no ye phone. Me na ma bon che Bawumia no to mami. You see where we are today. Kennedy kofa kankan de bre. And a kankan de blast gu yensem. And there was so abase ono ahoro ne to. Inti emfa kankan de ne to nchen ne emfa no. Abra wo Kennedy woni kankan de ne kodi kankan no. It is even the reason tia Bawumia enya 38 no Canada Japan sako Bawumia na koso nya 24%. Ana Canada Japan we asa we catch oh we were born but we Jimmy kakra onim bibia but mo for Ghana nhyɛ nsa intinke ye mistake. And yes atam Ghana side share NPP nsa anka Canada Japan we anka ono na de akoto the biggest mess 2024 sanke Tamgana de Bawumia nsa anke kede Japan some obekai later. It's when a second in Nyansa chen Bawumia. Economic waste kid. Menkwatia I Samira Bessie Mikuride or hard working. Your husband is hard working when it comes to lying. You don't even know the length of the manhood of your husband. You are telling us your husband is hard working. The man has been lying to you from day one. The length of his manhood. Ne bema sena se ontumi nka ne tintin kire o. Utina oka se yemfa gidie nhaba omiamu. Why? We will come to that matter. Yebedwedwem. Na Mr. P, Mr. S. Thank you very much. Canada Japan. Esa begina Ghana fo anim. Upon the okachire nyina wie kai se yemfa Ghana nhaba omiansa. And then kwasiafo mienu we kachire se ai ba ko agimi, we se we agimi. Yantam Ghana ma hwan. This is Canada Japan. Owie na baka say yemfa Ghana ne ma Bawumia.
The only person obetini abe protective free SHs and Dr. Bawumia. Only MP obetini abwa Dr. Bawumia ama free SHs no higher possible no honorable as me. In the Fete electoral area. Masama na di ba ya ni se. Wonye gidie se achia remove. Edize. That is central region ha. Aduma papa president Kufuor be ye nyina no. Mo se ade ofi oye. Ena ya hu nya edi eho ana baba bi ebuti.
Canada Japan 2024. Ni adwin se oye nokwafo oka nokore. Osatam liar we beka kire se yemfa tumi ma Bawumia. Na ono ne yemfa yenkwara wo wiase Ghana nkwara yemfa omkra nhye Bawumia nsem. And the Canada ni Bawumia gina oka yeso mienu nim nyansa. What? Ye Jimmy. Ye nim nyansa. Eti Canada ni Bawumia hwa na Jimmy. Kennedy Kacha say Bawumia is a liar. He's not an economist. Or a kromfo. Onye nipa bi obetumi de Ghana. Sika semegina ye. Kennedy we no sabe campaign ma Bawumia say yan fa to minima nipa na oso ye kromfo. Nipa na ono ontumi enhwe Ghana economy ni so. Eti Kennedy ni Bawumia hwa na Jimmy. Yanko enim ende medwudwan nsem bi mu akyerew Bawumia aye Coup bi nde na saa Coup no maka kire Canada Japan on the followers. It does not matter the screaming. The law is the law. Bawumia, he will cheat and become the flag bearer of the NPP. And it's not just Bawumia cheating, the establishment, including Kennedy. Bawumia will be the flag bearer of the NPP. Kennedy betume kunipe wo wiase nyina oboa. Bawumia will still be the flag bearer of the NPP because the stealing mechanism has been put in place. Today, they unveiled the first part of the rigging mechanism. And they say, how Bawumia and NPP for almost decided the fate of NPP. Party negu. Na mumubino mwe Jimmy Kakranti. Yetumu for amonte. Mama party adokromo. Your conscience. Mwa dwene na mbode dwene no. Sebio mwa dwene no. Mwedi. And yetumu for amonte see a time. Now, I want to tell the president something.